Move your hand. There, I can see it. Look at.
If you get my face in this video, I'm gonna
Look at it. You can hella see it. This is my baby having the hiccups in his mama's belly. Say hi, Courtney.
Andre, stop.
I didn't get your face, Jesus. In the morning, she just ate a bagel and drank a little bit of coffee. And I welcomed him good morning. And now he's hiccuping. Bump, 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 bump. I can see it. Oh, yeah. Oh, we can feel it everywhere now. Oh, yeah. Are you filming it too? He's coming soon. How many weeks does he have now? 8 weeks?
Tomorrow.
It'll be 8. It'll be 31. So 9 weeks.
Tomorrow I'm 31 weeks.
Yeah. So 9 weeks.
Which means I'm 8 months pregnant tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
Hi, Munchkin butt.
He's hiccuping, honey.
What?
He's hiccuping.
Over here.
Right there?
Say hi. I can feel it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, that's like everywhere. It's like a little blip right there. Okay. Love you.